Our friends at My Mind's Eye has a new collection. As you can see, it's called Gingham Gardens. Now this is a different size of a paper pack. It measures 6 inches by 8 inches long. And there are a total of 24 sheets. They are all double-sided. You really get a nice preview on the cover, but I thought it would be good to really take a close-up look. Isn't this pretty? It reminds me of old-fashioned wallpaper. And on the back side, you can see that there is another design. Now, there are 12 designs. You're going to get 2 of each one. There is a dot there. It's a very light blue with white dots. And there, flowers all over, really pretty color combination. And you can see, maybe I'll turn it like that. You can see a little bit more. And there you go. That's better, isn't it? So we've got flowers, more flowers all over, and I haven't been counting, and some wood, some gingham, pretty medium size, and then we've got the checkboard, this, and then we're back to the very first one. So you're going to get 2 of each, a nice weight. Then what I really love is there are die cuts, and let me bring these in just to give you a look. There are altogether 87 pieces. Let me see, wait a minute, 67 pieces. 67 is really quite enough. And you can see that they vary in their imagery, just a lot of different looks. Some are even you punch out, so you get a frame and an inner piece. Love the flowers. I think they're so pretty. Make sure you see that watering can. And there are words, there are tags, there is plant smiles, grow, laughter, harvest, love. Well, that's good series of things there. You can see the bee, the beehive, again, flowers, more flowers, and some numbers. So just a variety of the die cuts are all included. Some of these tabs that you can fold in half or cut them in half and use them individually. Salt shaker, and you can see, so a total of 67. That's going to go a long way with your 24 papers, and all of this is entitled Gingham Gardens.